Okay, so I'm going to be making some gungo pea soup with pig's tail and salted beef. This is the pig's tail and salted beef. I rinsed off and I put it in some water to soak overnight. More than 12 hours because it was yesterday in the evening and now it's after 2 p.m. So I threw off that water that it was soaking in from overnight and I'll give it another rinse. And now I'm just gonna put it into some fresh water. And I'm going to let it scald for a few minutes. So yeah, this is scalding a few minutes now. So I put it in some fresh water with some pumpkin and garlic. I did the pumpkin this big because I usually mash them out when they're cooked to color the pot some more. So you might have noticed that I did not put any peas in there because canned peas, green gungo peas. I mean, it's the fast life. You gotta move with the times, man. Besides, gungo not their market. But if gungo was at the market, I would have purchased. Gungo not at the market, so I still purchased. I just purchased it already cooked. Yeah. So yeah. And I'm going to make some spinners. I have some cornmeal, salt, and counter flour in that. And sweet potato. You can have like gungo peas, red peas, them kind of soup without the sweet potato, you know. And look at yellow yam, Irish, and carrots. And then you know the season them and things. So, yeah. Okay, so I had the dough resting with a damp paper towel over it. Just a little small one because not making a lot. And what I'm going to do is just take off some and do them like this. I have some spinners. Okay, so coming in with food. Okay, so I have my Patagonia, so we have a coming with our cock soup. You know me, I will take out the noodles. Then we're going to come in with our coconut milk, or scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, pimento.